Hello. So recently I worked out how to add cloud saves to games that didn't have them, and I thought I'd make a quick video about it. So this would be useful if you've got two computers and want to share a save file between the two of them, and also if you and your family had a shared Steam library, it would stop the cloud saves from getting muddled up like they normally would, and you can each have your own saves. Right, let's get into it. First up, you're going to need a cloud storage solution. So I would suggest OneDrive, since that one comes pre-installed with Windows 10 and has 5 gig, which should be enough for your save games. Google Drive might work, Dropbox might also work, but it needs to be able to sync to your computer, so it actually creates a folder on the computer. See, you can see the OneDrive folder there and here. So as long as it does that, you're fine. So once you've downloaded, installed it, and logged in, you want to go into the folder and right-click New Folder. Call it something like Cloud Saves. I'm going to be demonstrating this using Minecraft Feed the Beast, so inside of that I'm going to create a Minecraft FTP folder. Now you want to open up another File Explorer window, and on this one, you want to find the save games, where the save games are stored for your game. So normally you can just find it pretty easy with a Google search, Minecraft save folder, and you get that. So find the save folder and see saves, and then you want to go into that. Grab the saves that are in it, press Ctrl X, and then paste them across to your Cloud Saves folder. Go up a folder here and Shift right click on the saves folder. Click Copy as Path, then delete it. Now press the Windows key, type in CMD to open command prompt. Type in MKLINK or make link /J, and then press Ctrl V to paste in the path that you just got. Then go over to the Cloud Saves folder and copy that path, that directory. Go back to the command prompt, press space, put in a quote mark, and then paste, and then another quote mark. Technically it's fine, you don't need the quote marks, there's no spaces in the directory, but you know, it doesn't hurt. So yeah, you want make link /J, then the folder in which, then the save game folder for your game, and then the cloud save folder. So then press enter, and you'll see where the save game folder was. It's created a new one, which links to this. Okay. So now I'm just going to demonstrate by going into Minecraft here. Oops, F11. And loading up one of the saves. Right, so there we go, loading in. Still a bit laggy, but anyway. So I'm just gonna break a few blocks here to demonstrate that, you know, I've actually done something. There, and save. And you can see here, the Cloud Saves folder will, at least in OneDrive, it'll have this syncing icon here. Once that turns into a tick, that means it's uploaded the file. Now something you want to do also is go up to your OneDrive folder and right click on that Cloud Saves folder and just click Always Keep on this device. Since the saves are already downloaded to your device, because you know you had them there and copied them across, it'll be fine for now, but if you end up adding saves from other devices, you'll want to make sure that that's ticked so that it automatically downloads those saves. So once that's ticked, alright, so we can see there now the tick mark that that's done. Now I'm going to go to my Surface here, and you want to repeat the first couple steps again on this. So go to your saves folder on this one, and cloud saves, Minecraft FTB. If you've logged into OneDrive, it'll just have it here again, or Google Drive. Just make sure to set it up again so that you've got it syncing like this again anyway. So yeah, if you've got any saves, you want to move those across to here. And delete the saves folder again. Then go to command prompt. Same thing with this. Press enter. And go to saves folder again with these. Yep. Now you also want to make sure that those saves are downloaded. So right click and always keep on this device. Then just wait for this one to get the ticks so that it's finished downloading. Right, there we go. And so now I'm going to go into Minecraft single player, load up this map. All right, and there we go. We've loaded in. We can see that. Oh, there we go. We can see that those same blocks are broken. We're standing in the same spot and looking in the same direction. So there you go. That's worked. So this method should work for pretty much any game that just saves its save games in a folder without any external data to rely on. I've only tested it on Minecraft, but yeah, I don't see any reason for it not to work. Otherwise, it's pretty easy to undo. If you do want to stop it from cloud saving, you can just delete the saves folder that you created in your game folder, and then just replace it with a regular folder with the correct save folder name, and then you can copy and paste your saves back in, and it will just go back to behaving regularly. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stick around if you want a brief explanation on how the thing's actually, on what's actually happening. Okay, so pretty much all that's happening is that what we did with command prompt is we created what's called a symbolic link. In this case, it's specifically a hard link. So a symbolic link is pretty much like a shortcut. It behaves almost exactly like one. So you can just double click on, you can just open something and it'll put you in wherever the shortcut leads to. But the difference with a symbolic link and a hard link is that a hard link makes the computer think that that folder is actually located there rather than moving you there, which is what a shortcut would do. So to demonstrate, you can see here the saves folder. If I go into it, it actually says that the saves folder is in the Minecraft folder rather than in the OneDrive folder, which it isn't. It isn't in the Minecraft folder. This just shortcuts here, but it thinks it is because of the hard link. The other thing that the /j does, other than making it a hard link, is also means that it's referring to a folder, because normally this would just work for a file. But yeah, anyway, so that's that. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Bye.